Okay, Lisa, here we go. Future sounds, permutation study number 6, starting with number 1. 1, 2, ready, and. Okay, now let's change up the hi-hat a little bit, and we're going to add some 16th notes to it instead of the 8th notes that are printed. We'll slow that down a little bit. 1 E enda, 2 E enda, ready, play. And finally, let's have a listen to number 3, as written with 8th notes in the hi-hat. 1, 2, ready, and. One, one, and with 16th notes in the hi-hat. 1, 2, 3 E and a play.